on, ready?
Today we shall be unboxing the Morphy Richard Cordless iron. So come with me as I unbox this piece of house appliance. So this is the iron. It's pretty good because I tried it with my aunt in her place. It's cordless. It makes ironing quite easy. So here's the iron, and I shall be unboxing this. This is the iron, and this is the base. So the base is also in the pack. So you just get it out of the way like this. So the base is pretty, just like your kettle base actually. So it's kind of good. This is the base. So you untwine it and get it plugged onto the socket here, and it's kind of a simple process actually. So it is now plugged, the base is set to take the iron, and you just take this out and take it out and place it in the base. So it's a water, so there's a hole here for water, so the water funnel. So we're gonna get some there is a measuring. But babe, you think you have to go far? So normally the irons do come with water measuring containers, but this didn't come, and I have this measuring one, and this is 30 mil. So I just get it into it and see, because it has the mark here, max where the water could get into. So trying to put some more water. Oops, wrong. Okay. But that's fine. So I've got quite a good amount of water in there. I'll just quickly clean this. So there is water in there. I'll dry it up, and I could add some more. So we've got a good amount of water now in there, so not up to max. I'll cork it, close it, then I'm gonna, so it's pretty dry, there's no water around it. I'm gonna put it in the base and turn on the switch on, and that's it. So here we're gonna let it stay for 2 minutes maximum, and you have hot iron. And we shall go show you how to use it and how long it stays hot for. So I'll get something. That's the green light on, showing that it's ready for use. So it's all ready for use now. We're just ironing to see how long it keeps the iron warm. That's after you've taken it out from the base, and pretty much it's doing well. So it's ironing and still hot, so it's good. Good ironing. So it maintains the heat throughout the ironing process. Actually, the heat is maintained throughout. So maintain the heat, and just maintain the heat. I didn't even intend to use the water spray because the heat is good medium heat. It could be hotter if you set it so it's nice. It's ironing well. It keeps going, so you could iron for over 3 minutes with the heat still high. So it's pretty good iron. So it's a good one and saves you the trouble of cord. So it's nice, it's pretty, it's good, and just so this is nice. So you know, it comes with this manual. It's not so complex. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of information. But when you're done, you just take it and attach it back to the base, unplug it, switch off the switch, and you're good to go. So it's good and it's safe as well. It's very safe. So this is Morphy Richard's smart ideas for your home. Easy charge cordless steam iron. Pretty good. I would say give it a try and see for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Oh, silly me, it's still on video. Yeah, hang on, I don't. Okay.
So that's your Morphy Richard Cordless iron. It's pretty good. This is the base. So this is the where it intersects. It's just like your kettle. So it heats up and the light comes up and it's good to go. It shows you here and says it's green. So it tells you here it's green, ready to use, and red when it's too hot, which is good. You just take it out of the base and do your ironing, or when you're finished, you just unplug it, plug it here, and go ahead to circle it around and keep it safe. It's so nice and it's so easy, easy kind of thing. So that's it. That's basically it. And then you keep it safe. And this is a manual, easy read as well, easy procedures, and there's some customer service contact numbers there for UK and Ireland if you need to make any speak to anybody to direct